My name is Aditi Hankare. I am from Mumbai. I did a course of character artist. Three Colonist welcomed me. It's been 1 month. I have graduated from Three Colonist.
When she joined our studio, she was like, "अभी 3D को कुछ नहीं करा."
I was a scaredy cat because मुझे ऐसा डर लगता था.
Have you faced any particular challenges being a female candidate?
Women are a great fit for this. Follow your belief, follow your heart, and just explore everything. For women, I would say one thing, that if you feel right in the environment, you should pursue it.
There should be someone to tell me, to guide me. So, hello Aditi, how are
Hello,
you?
I'm fine.
So, now you have graduated from Three Colonist, and how are you feeling? Like the industry is treating you?
It's been 1 month. I have graduated from Three Colonists, and it was really a journey of like memories. It was good, it was bad, it was kind of like a learning experience for me, and I feel कि जैसे 1 month passed हो गया, I'm really missing the studio, honestly, and I just feel I get the same amount of energy and the kind of enthusiasm you guys have in the next company whenever I join one. So yeah,
Like
that's
यहाँ
it.
पे भी
And
मिस कर रहे हैं आपको. So,
of
well,
course,
audience आपको जानती नहीं है, तो tell me something about yourself and how did you join the 3D field?
my name is Aditi Hankare, and I'm from Mumbai, and I found Three Colonists from YouTube. I never had a passion for 3D actually. I was a student, I was a chemistry student, and then I found that the graphic designing bhi acha hai, and then I found the 3D has a scope, especially in India, where mostly females are not encouraged to pursue 3D, as I've seen in my community or in my friend group. So I thought कि 3D एक अच्छा way hai to express your creativity. It's not just drawing, sketching, graphic designing. So I thought कि 3D pursue करना चाहिए, and then I contacted Three Colonists and they were very happily welcomed me. And फिर हाँ 2 साल निकल गए, 3D सीख लिया. 3D में मैंने I did character art. I did a course of character artist as an associate character artist degree, and it was really fun. Character artist में जैसे आपको anatomy सीखनी होती है, and फिर बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी होती है, और honestly ऐसा लगता है कि character art बस सिर्फ character बनाना है, but उसके अंदर जो जो चीजें जाती है, that is commendable to other artists who did that, and we saw them as an inspiration. बट अभी वो खुद कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ओके वी डिड समथिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री.
So, अभी तक like most challenging project कौन सा था आपका, और जो challenges है उनको overcome कैसे किया आपने?
Okay, the most challenging project was I started in studio itself, which was a character which was portraying a tribal plus a demonic kind of energy. Like I named her Shiori because I thought it was a very fun character to do. Actually, I never did a whole character in my this learning journey. So I thought it would be a great challenge to pursue that. उसमें जैसे आर्मर्स थे, उसमें जैसे स्कल, बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्कल्स थे, जैसे स्कर्ट्स थे, क्लोथिंग था जो नॉर्मल क्लोथिंग नहीं था, इट वाज स्टोन क्लोथिंग एंड बहुत ही रफ एंड टफ वाला क्लोथिंग था. So that was a bit challenging for me. Of course, people helped me, mentors helped me, feedbacks अच्छे मिले. So it got enhanced, and over the period of time, it got way easier to do it. So I feel अभी भी वो चल रहा है, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. But I feel whenever it gets done, I will feel like an accomplishment to do that a big project in my whole career. तो मैं बोलूँगी 2 साल ही हुआ है, but like it's a big thing for me to complete that.
Like character itself, काफी टाइम लगता है, और एक कैरेक्टर खुद से निकालना for a single person, it's lengthy task. Like
Yes,
4
it
to
is.
5 months जाते हैं उसमें. Like आप
आराम
fully
से.
कैरेक्टर कर रहे हो, तो स्टूडियोज में तो like टीम में हम काम करते हैं, तो
Yes,
ऑब्वियसली
yes.
काम आसान हो जाता है, बट इंडिविजुअली आप कर रहे हो तो काफी बढ़िया है. वेटिंग टू सी द फाइनल रिजल्ट्स. अभी एक
Yes.
करंट जो मैं देख रहा हूँ काफी अच्छा जा रहा है लिटरली.
थैंक यू।
बट जब फाइनल आए तो हम देखेंगे. सो इस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सो मतलब फ्यूचर गोल्स अभी लाइक इंडस्ट्री के लिए क्या है आपके? मतलब
फ्यूचर
अभी लाइक कोर्स खत्म हुआ है, अभी सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो आप, एंड फ्यूचर गोल्स क्या रखते हो लाइक इन फ्यू इयर्स?
मैं फ्यूचर गोल्स बहुत सिंपल रखूंगी। लाइक जैसे इंडस्ट्री का पेस बढ़ रहा है, जैसे हम 80 लेवल्स पे देख रहे हैं या रुपीस पे देख रहे हैं, लगातार आर्टिस्ट बहुत ही क्रिएटिवली कुछ नया कुछ नया कुछ नया हर दिन आ रहा है। तो वी हैव टू कीप अ स्पीड विद दैट, कि जैसे वैसे इंडस्ट्री चल रही है हमें भी वैसे ग्रो होना चाहिए। हम रुक गए तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स हम पीछे रह जाएंगे और बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें मिस आउट कर जाएंगे। सो आई फील फ्यूचर में बहुत कुछ चेंज होने वाला है, and I think gaming industry or film industry or ad industry or it will boom a lot. And for myself,
Surely.
for my personal goal in future industry, I see myself as a good artist, and I want my skills to speak for themselves. I don't want to speak for myself. I want my skill to speak with others. And
That's
I feel कि थोड़े बहुत inspiration. I want to be someone's inspiration. That's all. Not big goal, not a small goal. It's like a good goal for me for now.
that's a nice one, really. And like that, this field is mostly men driven, as you can see. Or when you joined the studio, there were mostly males in the studio, and all other people also. So, have you faced any particular challenges being a female candidate?
Uh, I won't deny it. Yes, I've faced many. Like when I got to know it's a male-driven industry, because I already knew it, because gaming is equal to boys, or like I just had the stereotype. Okay,
Yeah,
so मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सब men driven है, सब लड़के लड़के. No, but female also have passion for gaming. I've seen
yeah,
जब से मैं इस industry में आई हूँ, I've seen many character artists, women, many 3D artists as a woman, technical artists as a woman, and I feel I take a great pride to be a woman in this industry, because it is stereotypical that women can't do technical stuff or any sort of thing like that, but women have proven that wrong. I think many years ago I was just a late one to know that, but I feel women are a great fit for this industry
yeah,
if they are creative, if they are technical, if they have passion to pursue this career. They should get into this industry, and of course it is a lot to explore. So just follow your belief, follow your heart, and just explore everything you have in this industry. That's it.
even some big art directors and some studio heads.
It is,
Uh,
yes.
yeah,
Those
so
are females.
those are females, and they are really inspiring. I've seen
They
podcast
are.
and some stuff. They are really really inspiring. So
They are.
another one is like any advice for any female candidate, like those who will join the industry in this future. So any advice for them, like what you feel in the starting, like you were having some questions in your head always, like there should be someone to tell me, to guide me.
Yes.
So any piece of advice for them?
I feel just for women, I would say one thing, that if you feel right in the environment, you should pursue that. If you don't feel right into the environment, if you feel like uncomfortable, if you feel you can't grow there, just leave from that place. But I feel कि अगर अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में तुम आ रहे हो, अच्छे मेंटर्स तुम्हें मिल जाएंगे. Of course, there are some great artists who can guide you. If you can connect them on LinkedIn or ArtStation, or even by emails if you like their work. Just connect with them. Just ask them how to get into it. Just do your research first, rather than asking everyone. Do your research first. If you got stuck into any sort of thing, then ask others. And I feel I said it earlier also, this is a great industry for women. There is nothing sort of like it's a male dominant or someone will pull you down. it is a great industry, and of course people will support you in this.
Yeah.
If you find good people, they will support you in this. Either it be a man or woman, it doesn't matter. Everyone can join this industry for sure.
बिगनर्स के दिमाग में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जब इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन कर रहे होते हैं, लाइक क्या कैसे होने वाला है वो सब। पर धीरे धीरे चीजें
हाँ,
करके जब अनरावल होती है ना, तो काफी लाइक अब तो कॉन्फिडेंस होगा काफी कि लाइक अब तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। लाइक आर्ट स्टेशन पे पहले देखते थे
yes.
एंड इट वाज लाइक यार ये तो नहीं बनने वाला मुझसे, ये तो कुछ नहीं हो
हम्म,
सकता। बट अब देखते हैं, एक फील आती है कि अभी भी
हाँ,
लाइक मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ। इस लेवल तक नहीं, बट हाँ समवेयर क्लोज टू दैट हम जा सकते हैं। तो वो काफी बढ़िया है। तो दीदी यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं, और भी क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे इन फ्यूचर, बात करेंगे इन टॉपिक्स पे। ओके।
yes.
सो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। सो आई होप ऑडियंस को भी उनके कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल गए हो जो ये देखने वाले हैं। राइट। और कमेंट सेक्शन तो ओपन ही है, वो भी आपसे क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली। तो
Sure, sure.
या आप लोग लाइक लिंक्डइन पे कनेक्ट हो सकते हो एंड लाइक आर्ट स्टेशन पे इनका काम देख सकते हो। Like she is a really great artist. I have seen her grow. When she joined our studio, she was like, अभी 3D को कुछ नहीं करा
I
and
was a scaredy cat because मुझे ऐसे डर लगता था, जस्ट लाइक ही सेड कि ये देखते आर्ट स्टेशन पे फर्स्ट टाइम एज अ बिगिनर, एंड
yeah,
फिर हम हमें लगता है कि वो हम अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट यू नो दैट इज द इजीएस्ट थिंग यू कैन अचीव इन दिस इंडस्ट्री,
yeah,
एंड
that is
वो हो
the
जाता है, एक्चुअली में हो जाता है वो। देयर इज नो फियर ऑफ डूइंग दैट और ड्रीमिंग बिग अबाउट दैट थिंग।
तो यहीं पे अभी एंड करते हैं एंड विशिंग यू वेरी बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर।
थैंक
लाइक
यू।
काफ़ी अच्छे अप्रोचेस मिले तुम्हें, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिले एंड किसी बिग फर्म के साथ आप काम करो या कुछ इंडिविजुअली काफ़ी
श्योर।
काफ़ी बढ़िया करो। सो ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।